So again, on these, all these angles, this angle, this angle, this angle, there's 4 angles in there. And together, all 4 of them create this half rotation, which equals 180, right? So what we have, and I'm just going to start from left to right. We have the 31-degree angle plus the 20-degree angle plus the unknown angle, which is x, and plus the 38-degree angle. All of those add up to equal 180. Okay. Now, if we combine like terms on the left-hand side, if we add 31, 20, and 38, we get 89. So I am going to take 89, add it to the x, and then move it over a little, because we still have the equal sign, and that still equals 180. Okay. So all I did was let me use my drawing tool. All I did was combine these. I added these. Okay. So 31 plus 20 plus 38 equals 89. That's where the 89 came from. And then what you do next to isolate the x, or to get the x by itself, you subtract 89 from both sides. Right? That gives you 0. And then we have, or we're left with, x equals 180 minus 89. That equals 91. Okay? And that's what our answer is. 91 degrees. So I'll give you a couple minutes to copy that. Maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Again, when you see these, just like number 3 over here, the angles make a half rotation, and they always add up to equal 180 whenever it makes a half rotation. You can think half circle, half rotation. The only reason why I'm not saying a linear pair, because it's more than 2 angles. But a linear pair is the same idea. Okay. So let me go down to the next one. Let's do 5. So again, this is 1 angle, 2 angle, 3 angle, 4 angle. All 4 of these angles added up together make the half rotation, which equals 180 degrees. So when we write our equation to solve it, you take the x angle, or the unknown angle, add it to the 38-degree angle, add it to the 35-degree angle, add it to the 40-degree angle, and all of those together equal 180 degrees. Okay. Then, again, what you want to do next is combine all the numbers. Take the 38, add it with the 35, add it with the 40, and then you get 116, and then that equals 180. Okay. So again, the next step was add those, and we got 116. Then you subtract 116 from both sides. That will get you the x by itself. You know what, I'm just going to write it with my hand. And you get 64. And that's the value of that. 64. Again, because once you plug 64 in here, when you add these, they'll equal 180. Okay. The 6 is a little bit easier to do, only because there's 3 angles and not so many like the rest of them. But it's the same idea. 55 plus 80 plus x equal 180, right? Those 3 angles have to add up to 180 because it's a half rotation or half circle. Combine like terms. If you add those 2, you get 135. subtract 135 to both sides to get x by itself. That's 0, x equals 45 degrees. Deno. Okay. So again, and whenever we run into other problems where the angles are like this, I always try to like cover half of the picture up to make it look like one of these, right? We did that on the backside earlier. So hopefully you guys got that. I'm gonna wait a minute. That way you guys can copy it, and then I'm gonna go to the backside and finish off that one we were working on. You guys got it, yeah? I'm not going to put. Let me erase some of this. I did help with this ahead of time a little bit. So again, here they tell us AOB, angle AOB, and angle AOD are linear. So that means they make a linear pair. Okay. So that means together they equal 180. So let me go ahead and identify where those angles are, and then we can move on. AOB. Again, all you're doing is following the letters. A, O, B is this angle. And then AOD, if I follow the letters, A, O, B is this big angle. Okay. And then there's two angles there. Together they're linear. See, together they make this line, which means together they equal 180. So I know 158 plus whatever this guy is equals 180. Okay, and then you can subtract 158 from both sides to figure out what the missing angle is. So that's what we're looking for. I did the subtraction on my calculator, but you guys can figure out that 158 plus 22 equals 180. So here's 22. Okay. So grab that, and then I'm going to do B. And B and D are similar, so I'm not going to do D. Hopefully you can do D. See, they're both asking for adjacent angles. So let me do B. So again, let's identify where the ray is first. Ray OB. Here is ray OB. And again, they want the angles that are adjacent to that ray. So think of the angles that are using that ray. There's two angles. This angle and this angle. Okay. So let's go with the bottom angle first. Again, V shape. That's V shape. And then just grab the letters that are on the sides. C, O, B. Angle C, O, B. And then let's go with the other angle. That's that angle. Again, V shape. And grab the letters that are on that angle. A, O, and B. Those are the two angles that are adjacent to side ray OB.